What is up, guys? It's Flash back with some more charts, another video. It's Monday, August 25, about 3:40 p.m. Eastern. Wanted to shoot you guys over a quick video for today. We're looking at Bitcoin here on the 12-hour, and you can see I've overlaid some cycles here. So in the green is the 80-day cycle, and then the lighter gray, smaller cycle is the 30-day cycle. And so I got this from @TradingHurst, David F. on X. He's a great follow if you haven't followed him already. He's only got 5,100 followers. But essentially, what he looks to do is he uses bespoke signaling processing techniques. We bring readers and subscribers exquisite cycle extraction from a variety of prominent financial markets, from stock markets to gold, forex to volatility, oil to treasury yields. If there's a cycle, we will detect it. So check out his page. Again, he's got his own, it looks like a proprietary software of some sort where he just detects signals. And so what he's found is there's really a 15-day, a 30-day, and then an 80-day cycle in Bitcoin, right? And so, certainly not going to be perfect by any means, but I think, at least when I overlay this on my chart, it helps me kind of set my expectations of, okay, where are we given this 80-day cycle? Where are we in the 30-day cycle? And I think that could also, if you end up trading Bitcoin, that could maybe help you get better entries. Or, if you wanted to buy and sell Bitcoin, you could, buy the lows and sell the highs. Obviously it's not that easy, and I probably wouldn't recommend doing that. But can just give you an idea of where in these cycles we are with Bitcoin's price, because they do exist, right? They've proven it time and time again that there is a general heartbeat, there is a rhythm to the market, right? But again, it's not always perfect. But what I've noticed with Bitcoin especially is, take for example May, June of 2025, right? We kind of made this three-wave correction, right? We made a lower low, and then when we took out this A and when we got back above this A, that was a clear buy signal, because we're also at the bottom of this 80-day cycle, right? And so we made a lower low, we shook people out, and Bitcoin then went to the upside, right? And so what did we do here back in July, August of 2024, right? We made an A, B, C, higher high, and then once we came back below that A, right? And we were at the top of this 80-day cycle, that was a signal that, hey, this move is going to consolidate. We may go down now because of the 80-day cycle, or we may go sideways at least, right? So that's kind of where my head's at right now. And so I marked out just where we're at in the 80-day cycle, the 30-day cycle. So we may get a little bit of a bounce here towards the end of the week. And then I think, this bottoming range is like anywhere from Monday, September 8th through, the end of September, really. So I think that's when I'm going to start DCAing heavily. It's when we get down to the bottom of the 80-day cycle, and then hopefully, we can kind of continue going up through the end of October, it looks like. And that lines up with, I think, M2 and some other things that it look like. So I'm going to keep, that I track. So I'm going to keep tracking this on a daily basis for the daily membership. If you guys want to do that, feel free to hop in, and I'll see the members tomorrow. I'll see everyone else. Maybe I'll get another video out later this week or next. All right, guys, you have a good day.